Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple fried chicken curry. So this chicken I marinated for an hour. I put half a cup of curd, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and chicken masala. You can get chicken masala outside. I added like 3 spoons of chicken masala and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and just marinate it for 1 hour. So now just take a non-stick pan and add like about so as for you just frying, you need to add some 7 to 8 spoons of oil, like tablespoons of oil. So this is the amount of oil I add. So once the oil is a little heated, add like 3 chilies, like slice it in between. Just add them. So once you add the chilies, once they're just popping up like that, just add the chicken. So once you add the chicken, you have to fry this on high flame itself. Do not cover it with the lid in the starting, so that if you cover it with the lid, all the water forms up. So do not cover it with the lid in the starting. So once you add the chicken, just let it fry like this for 15 minutes. Do give it a mix in between so that it don't get burnt fully. It should be cooked on high flame itself. So while this is frying, we have to get ready with the gravy. So for the gravy, what I did is I took 4 tomatoes and 2 medium-sized onions and like 3 or 4 chilies. It's according to your spice taste. So what I have to do is I have to grind this up and make a puree. So I grind it up, and do not make it like a fine paste. Just this will work good. So this is done. Just keep it aside for now, and we'll work on the fry right now. So another 5 minutes this will be done. We'll just let it fry for another 5 minutes. So this is done. Now you just have to add this puree. And give it a good mix. So once you add the puree, just give it a little good mix and then just let it cook on high flame for at least 10 minutes. You can check your salt or chili powder now, like according to your taste. If you want more, you can add. So this is fine for me. So once the oil forms up on top like this, the curry is done. You can give a small touch up by adding little coriander. Okay, thank you. Bye guys. Have a nice day.